Now we can resume the gift. Okay, you can pile up your gifts and start opening them. These are my kids on Christmas morning opening their presents. What is that? Whose is that?
This one is mine, and Gina got the present.
That's a doll. Chrissy, what do you have there? Wally Fun.
Hope you have more toys that you can play with. Shoot! Okay.
Who's going to bring out Gianna's? She's going to fall. You guys need to carefully pile them. Pile them in one place for each person. Get your own. All right. This place is about to turn into a disaster area. Alright. All these things are going out that way. Zina, this is yours. America, this is yours. Zina, why don't you go give yourself some space?
I have too many presents.
You like it?
You want to try this one too? Too many. Oh my! I need to get the door table. You better share it. My table. Fun, you can put some of your presents here.
Everywhere you go, take a look at 5 and 10, listening once again, with candy canes and silver like glow. It's sweet to look up on Christmas, toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is a holly that you lean on your lawn. Pair of hop-along boots and the crystal retreats is the wish of Barney and Ben. Down to the talk and we'll go for a walk. It's the hope for Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait to see some.
I love it.
There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. Sturdy
Yeah, it's okay. You know what's in it now, right, Kosi? You know what's in it. Open the other ones and see what is this all you got? Was that all you have? Just these two? And this is yours. Look at this one here. Yep. Okay, where are hers? Where are Gigi's? She only has. Can you guys bring her stuff over here so she doesn't fall over there?
Okay, grab it up.
Help her get through there.
I grab it.
Okay, where are Kosi's stuff?
They're over here.
Is this his too? This is yours. Okay. You guys get Jana's stuff and put them in front of her there.
These wonderful things are the things we would never run through our eyes. These wonderful things are the things we would never run through our Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. We're riding on the snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's raining. Just hold your hand. We're riding along the song of a very we smell the dust
But let me. Yeah, there are no scissors in there. Yep, this is Gianna. Here, Gianna.
Is it on?
Here, Gianna.
Gianna, take.
Is that a battery? Is it in the battery?
There's already a battery.
Hmm?
There's already a battery. Gianna.
I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know, and everyone you meet. Oh, oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, just here once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know, and everyone you meet. Somebody waits for me, sir, what's for me? Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go,
Let it snow.
let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights turn way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm, and the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow and snow.
Are there any over there?
When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really grab me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. For the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Why are you putting it back there?
It's the most
What is that?
wonderful time of the year. With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos, a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright.